Hello students, in this video I will solve problems related to derivative using u by v rule, that is quotient rule. Look at the first question. Find the derivative of x plus 1 by x minus 1. Given function f of x is equal to x plus 1 divided by x minus 1. We have the formula d by dx of u by v is equal to v into u dash minus u into v dash divided by v square. So here we can apply the formula. See, f dash of x is equal to x plus 1 x minus 1, that is denominator, into derivative of d by dx of the numerator, that is x plus 1, minus numerator x plus 1 into derivative of the denominator, that is d by dx of x minus 1 divided by denominator square, that is x minus 1 whole square. So in the next step, f dash of x is equal to x minus 1 into derivative of x, here 1, plus derivative of 1 is equal to 0, minus x plus 1 into derivative of x, it's equal to 1, minus derivative of 1 is 0 divided by no change in the denominator, that is x minus 1 whole square. So that f dash of x is equal to x minus 1 into 1 is x minus 1 minus x plus 1 divided by x minus 1 whole square. So that it's equal to x minus 1 minus into x is minus x, minus into plus 1 is minus 1. So that's it, x minus x get cancels, minus 1 is minus 2, denominator is x minus 1 whole square. So that minus 2 by x minus 1 whole square will be the derivative of the given function. Look at the second function. F of x is equal to 2x plus 3 divided by x minus 2 is given. Formula is d by dx of u by v is equal to denominator into derivative of the numerator minus numerator into derivative of the denominator divided by the denominator square. Apply the formula. F dash of x is equal to denominator, that is x minus 2, into derivative of the numerator d by dx of 2x plus 3 minus numerator 2x plus 3 into derivative of d by dx of the denominator divided by the denominator whole square, that is x minus 2 whole square. So that f dash of x is equal to x minus 2 into derivative of, keeping 2 outside, derivative of x is 1 plus 3 is 0 minus 2x plus 3 into d by dx of c, x is 1, 2 is 0, constant, no x, right? So it is 0 divided by x minus 2 whole square. So that f dash of x is equal to x minus 2 into, see, 2 into 1 is 2 minus 2x plus 3 into 1 divided by x minus 2 whole square. Now expand this one. F dash of x is equal to 2 into x is 2x, 2 into minus 2, again I need to multiply here, right? Minus 4, minus into 2x is minus 2x, minus into 3 is minus 3 divided by x minus 2 whole square, plus 2x minus 2x get cancels, minus 4 minus 3, see, it's equal to minus 7 divided by x minus 2 whole square will be the derivative. F of x is equal to 2 divided by x plus 1 minus x square divided by 3x minus 1. F dash of x is equal to, see, we need to apply u by v rule separately for the first sum and the second sum. For the first sum, see, it is denominator x plus 1 into d by dx of the numerator minus numerator into d by dx of the denominator x plus 1 divided by x plus 1 whole square is there, minus second, again we need to apply u by v rule to the second sum, that is denominator into d by dx of the numerator minus numerator x square into d by dx of the denominator is 3x minus 1 divided by denominator square, that is 3x minus 1 whole square. In the next step, see, f dash of x value is equal to, here, x plus 1 into, see, d by dx of 2, it is a constant, no x, right? So it is 0, minus 2 into d by dx of, see, x is 1 plus 1 is 0 divided by x plus 1 whole square. It's a first sum, minus 3x minus 1 into, see, d by dx of x square is 2x, derivative of x square is 2x, minus x square into d by dx of, see, 3 outside, derivative of x is 1, minus only 1 is there, right? No x, so it is derivative 0 divided by 3x minus 1 whole square. In the next step, see, f dash of x is equal to x plus 1 into 0. 0 into any number, it's equal to 0. Minus 2 into 1 is minus 2 divided by x plus 1 square. Okay, minus, here see, 3x minus 1 multiply 3 into 2, that is 6, x into x square, 6x square, minus 1 into 2x minus 2x, minus, see, 3 into 1 is 3, 3 into x square is minus 3x square divided by 3x minus 1 whole square. In the last step, we can rewrite it as f dash of x is equal to minus 2 by x plus 1 whole square minus 6x square minus 3x square is 3x square minus 2x divided by 3x minus 1 whole square. This will be the derivative of the given function. Here same steps we are applying, but we need to apply u by v rule separately for the two terms. Next is derivative of cos x divided by 1 plus sin x. Take f of x is equal to cos x divided by 1 plus sin x. D by dx of u by v is equal to v into u dash minus u into v dash divided by v square. So that f dash of x is equal to numerator, denominator, that is 1 plus sin x is into d by dx of cos x, that is numerator, minus cos x into d by dx of the denominator, that is 1 plus sin x, divided by denominator square, that is 1 plus sin x whole square. Now find the derivatives. F dash of x is equal to 1 plus sin x into derivative of cos x is minus sin x minus cos x into, see, derivative of 1 0, derivative of sin x, it is plus cos x, divided by, in the denominator no change, it is 1 plus sin x whole square. So f dash of x is equal to, see, multiply minus sin x into 1 is minus sin x, minus sin x into minus sin x is minus sin square x, minus cos x into cos x is minus cos square x, divided by 1 plus sin x whole square, 1 plus sin x whole square. In the next step, see, this implies f dash of x is equal to, see, minus sin x minus sin square x minus cos square x, it is minus 1 divided by 1 plus sin x whole square. This will be the derivative of the given function. Here you need to remember the formula. One is d by dx of derivative of sin x, it's equal to cos x, and d by dx of cos x, it will be minus sin x. Then substitute the values. If possible, simplify, then write the final answer. Question, x to the power 5 minus cos x by sin x is there. So f of x, given function is x to the power 5 minus cos x divided by sin x. First write the formula. D by dx of u by v is equal to v into u dash minus u into v dash divided by v square. So substitute f dash of x is equal to v, that is sin x, denominator into derivative of the numerator x to the power 5 minus cos x. Okay, then minus by the formula u is x to the power 5 minus cos x, use the brackets, whole minus is there, right? So minus of x to the power 5 minus cos x into d by dx of the denominator is sin x divided by denominator square, that is sin x whole square. Now just substitute the derivative, later if possible simplify, otherwise just substitute the derivative and leave the answer. So that sin x into, see, x to the power 5 is 5 into x to the power 4 minus cos x is minus sin x. This minus, then the given question itself, derivative of cos x is minus sin x minus x to the power 5 minus cos x will remain same, d by dx of sin x, it will be equal to cos x divided by sin x whole square. In the next step, see, I am simplifying one step, that is f dash of x is equal to multiply, first is multiplying sin x to the first sum, you will get 5x to the power 4 into sin x, then see this minus into minus plus sin x into sin x, right? Sin x into sin x, it's equal to sin square x. Then see, minus into plus is minus x to the power 5 into cos x, minus into minus plus cos x into cos x is cos square x divided by sin x whole square. In the next step, see, f dash of x is equal to 5x to the power 4 into sin x minus x to the power 5 into cos x. What is sin square x plus cos square x? Its value is equal to 1 divided by sin x whole square. This will be the derivative of the given function. Here d by dx of sin x formula is cos x, and d by dx of cos x, it's equal to minus sin x, and d by dx of x to the power 5 is equal to 5 into x to the power 4. And one more identity we use this cos square x plus sin square x value is equal to 1. See the next question, x plus cos x by tan x. Take f of x is equal to x plus cos x divided by tan x. Write the formula d by dx of u by v is equal to v into u dash minus u into v dash divided by v square. So that f dash of x is equal to, see, denominator tan x into derivative of the numerator is x plus cos x minus numerator, that is x plus cos x into derivative of the denominator is tan x divided by denominator square is tan x whole square. Now write the derivatives. Just remember d by dx of x is equal to 1, d by dx of cos x is equal to minus sin x, and d by dx of tan x is equal to secant square x. Substitute the values. F dash of x is equal to tan x into first derivative of x, that is 1, plus derivative of cos x is minus sin x, minus x plus cos x into derivative of tan x is secant square x divided by tan x whole square. In the next step, I'm just multiplying minus, then you will keep the solution like that only. So that f dash of x is equal to tan x into, see, 1 plus into this minus is minus sin x minus x plus cos x into secant square x divided by tan x whole square. This will be the derivative of the given function. Next question is sin x plus cos x by sin x minus cos x. Very important question once again. See, f of x is equal to sin x plus cos x divided by sin x minus cos x. So d by dx of u by v is equal to u into v into u dash minus u into v dash divided by v square. Okay, v into u dash, that is denominator into numerator, derivative of the numerator, minus numerator into derivative of the denominator by denominator square. So that f dash of x is equal to sin x minus cos x into d by dx of sin x plus cos x, that will be our numerator, minus by the formula, then numerator sin x plus cos x into d by dx of the denominator is sin x minus cos x divided by denominator square. Denominator square is sin x minus cos x whole square. So in the next step, f dash of x is equal to sin x minus cos x into, see, derivative of sin x, that is cos x, derivative of cos x is minus sin x, minus sin x plus cos x into, see, derivative of sin x is cos x, then minus derivative of cos x is minus sin x divided by sin x minus cos x whole square is there. Now see here, sin x minus cos x, here cos x minus sin x is there. So if you multiply, f dash of x is equal to first sin x into cos x, that is sin x cos x, then sin x into minus sin x is minus sin square x, then cos x into cos x is minus cos square x, minus into minus plus cos x into sin x. Then see, keeping this minus sign outside, sin x into cos x, that is sin x cos x, sin x into minus plus, that is plus sin square x, then cos x into cos x is plus cos square x, this cos x into cos x plus cos square x, then see, cos x into plus sin x is plus sin x into cos x divided by, all the sum divided by sin x minus cos x whole square. Okay, you can, if you feel difficult in the calculation, you can leave the problem here itself, will get the marks. Otherwise continue. Here see plus sin x cos x, here plus sin x cos x, then here see minus sin cos x, minus sin cos x. Okay, here it will get cancelled. Then see minus sin square x minus cos square x, minus sin square x minus cos square x is there, right? So that f dash of x is equal to, see, minus sin square x minus cos square x is minus 1. Again here see minus into sin square x minus sin square x minus cos square x minus 1 divided by sin x minus cos x whole square is there. So that minus 1 is minus 2 divided by sin x minus cos x whole square will be the derivative of the given function. Next question is x by 1 plus tan x. F of x is equal to x by 1 plus tan x. Formula is d by dx of u by v is equal to v into u dash minus u into v dash divided by v square. So that f dash of x is equal to 1 plus tan x into d by dx of x, numerator is x, minus x into d by dx of 1 plus tan x divided by 1 plus tan x whole square. In the next step, see, f dash of x is equal to 1 plus tan x into derivative of x we already discussed, that is 1, minus x into derivative of 1 is 0, derivative of tan x is plus secant square x divided by 1 plus tan x whole square. In the next step, see, f dash of x is equal to 1 plus tan x into 1 is 1 plus tan x minus x into secant square x is, I can write it as x secant square x divided by 1 plus tan x whole square. This will be the derivative. Here we use the formula d by dx of x equal to 1, d by dx of tan x is equal to secant square x, and d by dx of 1 constant it's equal to 0. Next question is sin of x plus a by cos x. So here we can write it as f dash of x is equal to denominator into d by dx of the numerator, that is sin of x plus a, divided by minus numerator sin of x plus a into derivative of d by dx of cos x divided by cos x whole square. See here, very important thing is d by dx of sin of x plus a is there. To find the derivative, first write the derivative of sin x. Derivative of sin x is cos x. In place of x, you can see clearly x plus a is there. Into, next find the derivative of the term inside the bracket. So here see, derivative of x is 1 and plus a is equal to 0. So that we can write a derivative is equal to cos of x plus a. Clear? See, d by dx sin of x plus a is there, means first write the derivative of sin x form. Sin x is cos x, in place of x substitute x plus a. Then into, continue the derivative, the term inside the bracket. Term inside the bracket is x plus a. Derivative of x is 1 plus derivative of a is equal to 0. So that you will get cos of x plus a. So substitute f dash of x is equal to cos x into, see, derivative of sin of x plus a, I got it as cos of x plus a minus sin of x plus a into derivative of cos x, well known, that is minus sin x divided by cos x whole square. So that f dash of x is equal to cos x into cos of x plus a. Here we can't multiply. Here angle is x, here angle is x plus a. Minus into minus, see, this minus into minus will become plus sin of x plus a into sin x divided by cos x whole square. You can observe, right, f dash of x is equal to, it is in the form cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. This is nothing but cos of a minus b, right? That is x plus a minus x by cos x whole square. So that it's equal to, see, plus x minus x get cancels, cos a divided by cos x whole square will be the derivative. Here I use the formula cos a cos b plus sin a sin b is equal to cos of a minus b. Using this formula you can simplify the numerator. Otherwise you can keep the numerator like this only, then also will get the marks. Next question, see, 4x plus 5 sin x by 3x plus 7 cos x. So f dash of x is equal to denominator 3x plus 7 cos x into d by dx of the numerator, that is 4x plus 5 sin x minus numerator 4x plus 5 sin x into d by dx of the denominator, that is 3x plus 7 cos x divided by denominator square, that is 3x plus 7 cos x whole square. So simplify this one. F dash of x is equal to 3x plus 7 cos x into, see, derivative of 4x, 4 into x is 1 plus 5 into derivative of sin x, that is cos x, minus 4x plus 5 sin x into d by dx of, c, 3 into x is 1 plus 7 into cos x, that is minus sin x divided by 3x plus 7 cos x whole square. The next step, just to simplify the plus minus terms, so that f dash of x is equal to 3x plus 7 cos x into 4 into 1 is 4, 5 into cos x, 5 cos x minus 4x plus 5 sin x into 3 into 1 is 3 plus into this minus 7 sin x divided by 3x plus 7 cos x whole square. This will be the derivative of the given function.